Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to use your credit card on Venmo in 2025. Whether you're splitting dinner bills with friends or sending money to family, Venmo makes it easy, but adding a credit card can earn you rewards or help with cash flow. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your credit card is compatible with Venmo. Most major cards like Visa, Mastercard, or American Express work, but always check for any restrictions from your card issuer or Venmo's updated policies for 2025. Start by opening the Venmo app on your phone. If you don't have an account, download it from your app store and sign up quickly. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon, usually in the top corner, and head to Settings. Look for the Payment Methods section. Here, you'll see an option to add a new payment method. Select Credit Card from the list. Now, enter your card details carefully. The card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Venmo might ask for additional verification, like a code sent to your phone or email, to keep things secure. After adding your card, it's ready to use. To make a payment, go back to the main screen, select the person or group you want to pay, enter the amount, and choose your credit card as the funding source. Boom! Your transaction is on its way. But here's a heads up. Using a credit card on Venmo might incur a fee, typically around 3% per transaction, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Also, remember that this could affect your credit utilization if you're carrying a balance. In 2025, Venmo has made some updates for better security, like enhanced fraud detection, so you'll get notifications for every transaction. If you run into any issues, Venmo's help center is packed with resources, or you can contact your card's customer service. That's it for today's quick guide. Using a credit card on Venmo can be a smart move for earning points, but always use it responsibly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.